Hey, what's going on? This is Alex from LR and today I'll show you how to replace cabin filter on BMW 3 and 4 Series. Let's proceed. The cabin filter is located under the glove box, so we will be working right there. So we got two 10mm nuts. This is the first one. This is the second. So now we can move this part down. And slide it out. Disconnect this connector. And also we can remove just this thing. Yep. There are two screws T25 that we have to undo. So let's do it. And also there are some clips. Don't miss this airflow arrow. So this is how the air goes. We have to put the new one the same way. So you can see it says airflow this way. So let's put it back. And slide it in. Okay, let's put this thing back. Sits good. Two screws. Make sure you slide this thing properly. Take a closer look on these things. I'm not sure if you see it. This one goes right here and this one right there. Here. And don't forget about this connector. Okay, set this in. And we have to put those two nuts back. It's very easy DIY. It took me about like 10 minutes to do the whole job. The links you can find in the description below. If this information was helpful, please thumbs up. That really helps my channel growing. Thank you again. Have a good one. Bye.